Good morning, Mananda. We are from Iskander Degree Godans and Arts and Science College, Jagitya. First of all, we are very thankful to our Commissioner of College Education. Uh, our Jignasa study project is Abundance of Arthropods in Crop Fields of Sarcoma longa. These are my group fellows, Vandana, Pavani, Madhavi and Pawan Kalyan. We have studied this project under the supervision of our Raju sir, Assistant Professor of Zoology. Introduction. Turmeric, Curcuma longa is a popular spices across the world since ancient times. Especially turmeric has unique place in Indian life. Based on active phytochemical constitutes nutraceuticals, pharmacological properties, it's being treated as kings of spices. It is also called as Indian solid gold and Indian saffron. Thank you. Over to Pavani.
Thank you, Mahendra. Area of study. In India, Telangana is a first state where has highly cultivable of turmeric and highest production getting among the other states of India. The districts of Nizamabad, Nirmal, Jagitya, Warangal, Ahmedabad, Vikarabad has cultivating in high turmeric and uses of turmeric. Uses of turmeric improve skill health and we are used in Ayurvedic medicines and control diabetics and prevention of cancer. Improve methodology, field visit method. We visited the fields of nearby villages, Shankulapalli, and observed and collected various insects by different methods. Pitfall trap method. A pitfall trap is a simple device used to catch small animals, particularly insects and other vertebrates that spend most of the hand picking methods. Most medium-sized to large insects can be picked up by hand, provided the species does not pose a threat on height. Sir, over to Madhavi. Okay, na. Thank you. Over to Madhavi.
Thank you, Pavani. Hand picking method. Most medium-sized to larger insects can be picked up by hand, provided the species does not pose a threat or health hazard when handled. Holding them by the sides of the thorax so that they cannot reach skin with their jaws and or sting the skin. Tweezers. Various tweezers are sold to help handle smaller specimens. Needle-nosed tweezers are ideal for the smallest specimens but easily damage soft body forms. Aspirators to pick up small specimens without touching them, and aspirator is ideal. Fine brushes and cotton swabs. Tiny insects and mite specimens can be collected using a fine paint brush or cotton swab, alcohol or other fluid. The specimens can then be transformed to a vial of alcohol or microscope slide. Hand net method. Collecting nets. Collecting nets come in their basic forms aerial. Swiping and aquatic aerial net is designed especially for collecting butterflies and other flying insects. Both the bag and handle are relatively lightweight. And this chart is about abundance of arthropods. The arthropods insects are many types. Over to Mahendra.
Thank you, Pavani. Results and discussions. Total 310 soil arthropods were obtained by using pitfall traps during July 2024 to December 2024. 26 species that belongs to 13 different orders were recorded. 4 species of interest from order Arthropoda, 5 from order Columbola, 2 2 species from order Leptiptera, 1 species of insects from orders Isoptera, Carabrea, Tysonera, Hymenoptera and Millipeda, etc. Climate factors, soil pollution, tillage, uses of herbicides and pesticides, etc. affect soil arthropods. Conclusion. The present investigation revealed that relative abundance of insect order in highly varied. The Columbola was found to occupy the highest propagation of the insect community, 49.99%, followed by Hemiptera 22.66%, Aranera 4.89%, Tysonura 5.36%, Colopteran 5.59%, Arthoptera 3.26%, Isoptera 1.63% was the least abundant order in collected community. A total of 429 insects of 10 orders were recorded during the study period of 2023. From all the 5 plot of study sites, the present study was concentrated only 9 orders. The abundant insect orders were Hemiptera, Columbola, Aranera, Tynosura, Colenopteran, Arthropora and Carabidea, Dermatoptera, Millipeda and Isoptera. Thank you for giving this opportunity.